Hi Petra, this is Joe with Social Web Pros through Fiverr. Here's my analysis. I looked at your GMB, we're on your GMB as you can see, and the information looks pretty complete. I did add two more categories here, and the categories have to be available through Google. We can make up our own categories. These two were relevant to your business, so I added them. Um, I also added more content to this space here, which is description of your business. It gives you 750 characters, and I used 739. Let me pause this and fix this because it stopped there. So basically, I took the information from your website and I put it right here. And so this sentence ends this paragraph nicely, and it's at 728. I think you had 100 characters. So that's nice and filled in. I would recommend you do some publicaciones, some posts. These are free. And all you do is click, you add a photo, you add the description of the product or the service, something you can add maybe as you can do an offer, of perhaps immigration, I don't know, or notary services, something. You can also add a button here, and you can say to call, and they'll call this number. It'll be just a button. So if somebody's looking at this on their cell phone, they see llamar ahora, they just click there, and it just calls you direct. Yeah, so it definitely helps to do more posts. You are shown a lot more times when you do posts. Your posts are shown right underneath your GMB when you have posts. So start posting once a month, twice a month, once a week, however you feel you can put out information that's important. And so this is something you can do, and it's right here, publicaciones, and you do those weekly. Um, Photos, you should add more photos. You should add a video. I'm going to be providing you with a list of recommendations. One of them is to do a YouTube channel, and um, and obviously you can link those to your website, just like you did this one here. You can link multiple videos to your website, and also you can link them to your GMB. And you need congruency. So whatever you do here, you do on your website. When you do your YouTube channel, you want to mention your website on your YouTube channel as well. So you want to be congruent, you want to be consistent on all your social media, so you're everywhere. And this gives you more popularity here. So when somebody is searching for your service, they'll find you because you're, you're doing it proper, you're doing proper SEO. So yeah, photos, more photos, and your website. I looked at your website and it's new. You've not ranked. You don't have any matrix. Um, Here you are, Cartas Pro, because I guess you just started this in December, November of last year. So you're relatively new. However, you should have some backlinks. Whoever's doing your SEO needs to start backlinking you to different websites so you can rank. This is a website I built for pool services in Avondale, Arizona, and I created this in 2019, last year in March, and look at he's got a bunch of backlinks. I've got him listed in a bunch of places, and this helps with ranking. I mean, this guy went from non-existent in March of last year to let me just show you real quick. Yeah, so this guy again, I started him in March, and when you Google pool services Avondale, Arizona, um, this is an ad. These are organic. These people are not paying for this, and this is prime real estate. And so the way you get up here is by doing what I showed you, doing a bunch of backlinks, a bunch of SEO, and helping you rank up. And so anyway, Mr. Clean, he's not quite there yet. Again, we just started this in March, but he's 1, 2, 3, 4. Here he is, 5. Okay, Mr. Clean Pool Services. He's got 22 reviews. We're getting him up there slowly. But look at how many we beat. I mean, there's 6 pages of pool services. And he went from non-existent to number 5, I think, or 6. Okay, so we're still climbing. I'm still doing more work on his website and on his GMB. I created this GMB and this the whole thing SEO back in March, and I work on it every month for him because we want to get up to number 1 spot. And so that's that. That's what you need to do on your website. One of the things that I do, I recommend is I'll show you that I'm going to send you this. I'm going to link this to your my when I deliver the job on Fiverr. But you need to add backlinks. You need a minimum of 1,000 words using key phrases in your website. Or is it on your website? I always get in on confused. And so this is important to do. Right now, you only have 431 words, and some of those are, I think they're all good words except like the address. It needs to be like relevant material about your business on your website, on the homepage. Most importantly, you need to have really nice content. This is the website for the pool business, and as you can see, this guy has just kind of give you an example. This is just as an example, so you can see the work that it takes and how much work we put into these things. So how many words do we have here? So we have 1,997 words. A lot of these are like, this is the form that they fill out. So I mean, it's got at least 1,500 to 1,000. 1,000 to 1,500 at least. So I can take all this out, but I'm not going to take the time to it. But you get my point. You need to have a lot of content to help rank. Google loves content. They love original content. And again, backlinks, add more photos and videos to your website, start a YouTube channel, and get your listing on Bing and Yelp. Buscando servicios de notario en Richardson, Texas, y sale UPS Store, sale Documents Examiner, Richardson, salen esas compañías que son UPS Stores más que nada. Creo que hay mucha posibilidad de poder subir al rango de arriba con haciendo un buen trabajo en la website, haciendo un buen trabajo en el GMB. También servicios de inmigración. Richardson. Aquí están estas de servicios de inmigración, Travel Monitor. A ver qué website tiene este individuo. Sí, pues no, parece que es Travel Agency más que nada. Así de que no hay mucha competencia usando esas palabras clave de búsqueda. Servicios de inmigración, servicios de notario. Parece que hay las posibilidades de que puedas subir para arriba muy rápido usando las técnicas que estoy recomendando aquí. Ok, voy a poner otra cosa aquí que viene siendo eh, que hagas post. So lo hago pause, le voy a agregar eso y luego te mando ya todo. Gracias,